Welcome to Warzone training. In Warzone, every operator is equipped with an armoured vest. Grab an armour plate from the table. Slide the armour into your vest. Good work. Now pick up some ammo. Proceed to the next area. Hit all the targets. Proper job, well done. Switch to your primary weapon. Nicely done. Mount your weapon on a piece of cover. Now hit the targets while mounted. This target has armor. Listen for the sound of the armor breaking. Hear that? The armor. Spot on. Mounting stabilizes your weapon. It's good for mid to long distance engagements. Well done, mate. One of the best tools you have available is the TAC map. On the TAC map, you'll find optional missions known as contracts. Complete contracts to earn rewards for your team. Nicely done. Find and accept the contract. Supply box marked. Secure the package. Proceed to the next area. This contract's objective is to open 3 loot caches. Accepting the contract, the supply box is on the map for you. Objectives updated. Move to the next location. Take any loot you want. Otherwise, I've got to clean this mess up myself. Notice supply boxes make a distinct sound when you're close. Nice. Your loot finding skills are remarkable. Proceed to the next area. Loot and cash are normally found inside buildings. Search for some cash, see what you can find. Locate more cash. Proper job, well done. Cash can be used at buy stations to buy kill streaks and other special items. Buy stations are marked on the TAC map. Good work. Buy stations allow you to bring teammates back from the dead, purchase kill streaks and more. Purchase a loadout drop marker. Nicely done. Now call in a loadout drop and stand clear of the smoke. Loadout drops allow you to select a full loadout. A loadout drop is the only way to get perks and certain weapon attachments in Warzone Battle Royale. Well done, mate. Try some more equipment or move to the next area when you're ready. Okay, Kruger, hit the deck. When your teammates are down, you can revive them if you're close. Approach your teammates and revive them. Nicely done. You can ping anything in the world for your team. Ping an armor plate for your team.
Body armor here.
Dankeschön.
Solid work. Pick a spot and mark its location.
Moving!
Copy.
Well done, mate. You can also ping hostile areas for your team. Ping the targets as hostile.
Moving!
Copy that.
Disregard line. Moving! Disregard line. Moving!
Copy that.
Enemies in the area!
Understood.
Enemies in the area! Enemies in the area!
That's the way.
Enemies in the
There's
area!
another way you can help
Enemies
the
in the
team.
area!
Copy.
You can drop items in your inventory for your team. This is called teamwork. Be careful with teamwork. You might win. Nicely done. Sprint to extraction. Next job's waiting. Done and done. TAC map and choose when to deploy from the aircraft. The white circle on your TAC map shows where the gas closes in. The timer shows how long you have before that happens. Plan ahead, find weapons, stay out of the open, and you'll make it. Jump out of the aircraft, soldier. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. I suggest pulling your chute before you hit the ground. Using your chute lets you glide away from everyone else. But you'll get on the ground late. Your primary objective is to kill them all. Search inside the buildings for weapons and ammo. Listen for the hum of nearby supply boxes. Good work. Red dots on the minimap show the location of nearby enemies. Now hunt them down. Cash can be used at buy stations to buy kill streaks and other special items.
Fire! Reloading!
Gas is closing in.
Taking fire!
Well done. The upper right part of your HUD shows how many enemies remain.
Taking fire!
Grab some armor plates. Cash can be used at buy stations to buy kill streaks and other special items.
Reloading.
I'm hit!
Changing mag. Reloading.
Target down!
Grab some armor plates. First time you're eliminated. Kill your opponent and you'll deploy to the war zone. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Reloading!
A helicopter will provide extraction for the last survivor. Only 10 remain. You're nearly done. Fighting's done. The area's cleared out. Eliminate your target, stay out of the gas, and get to extraction. Good luck. Stay out of the gas zone. Only 5 left. After redeploying, you'll have to find new weapons and ammo. Get to work. Only 3 remain. Finish the job. That's gas. It will kill you. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. buy stations to buy kill streaks and other special items. One enemy remaining.